In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively publish your survey using Surveymonkey, a popular online survey tool designed to help gather feedback effortlessly. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process from starting on the homepage to successfully making your survey accessible to respondents. Let's dive in. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Surveymonkey's homepage. This is where all your projects are housed, and you can see a list of surveys you have underway. It provides a comprehensive overview of your ongoing work and is your starting point for launching any survey you've created. Once you're there, locate the survey you are currently working on and wish to publish. Simply click on the survey title. This will open up detailed options and settings related to that specific survey. If you have multiple surveys, make sure you're selecting the correct one to avoid any mix-ups. It helps to name your surveys descriptively. Now, with your survey selected, the next step is to collect responses. Look for the option labeled Collect Responses and give it a click. This feature allows you to set up the method through which your survey will be distributed to your audience. It's a vital part of getting your survey out into the world, ensuring that you can gather the valuable insights you're looking for. The next action you'll take is sharing your survey link. Click on Share a Link. This opens up options for how you can distribute your survey, and it is a flexible way to reach a wide audience, whether you want to embed the survey on your website or share it via email or social media. Considering your audience's preferences here can significantly improve your response rates. Once you've chosen to share a link, all you need to do is click on Copy. This copies the survey link to your clipboard, ready for you to paste wherever you need it. Whether you're sending it out in an email, embedding it in a web page, or posting it on social media, simply paste this link to make the survey accessible. It's as easy as a quick command or right-click to paste it where you want your survey to appear. Lastly, return to the home page by navigating back and refresh the page. This is an important step as it confirms that your survey is now live and open for responses. By refreshing, you'll see any updated statuses or changes in the survey's listing. You can now track responses, analyze data, and gather insights from your participants. And there you have it. Your survey is officially ready to be shared with the world. With these straightforward steps, you're well on your way to effectively deploying your survey and collecting the valuable feedback needed for your project or research. Happy surveying!